Hello, dear viewers. I have a special treat for you today. I've embarked on a captivating journey of Reiki training, and I'm elated to share my experiences with you. My adventure commenced with an unexpected phone call from my aunt. She extended an invitation to join her for a Reiki training session, and I eagerly accepted the opportunity. The training was scheduled at a picturesque place, a stone castle amidst nature's tranquility. Upon arrival, we were warmly welcomed by a group of 5, including our affable teacher. She introduced us to the Reiki principles and handed us a comprehensive manual for reference. At this point, things started getting interesting. I had pictured the process as more of self-healing, but to my surprise, it was all about hands-on healing. We were guided through the chakra points and directed to visualize a beautiful sun over our shoulders during the healing process. It was an eye-opening experience indeed. In closing, I must express my gratitude for this enlightening journey and invite you all to join me on my further Reiki ventures. If you found this video insightful or enjoyable, please hit that like button and subscribe for more such content. Stay tuned until next time.